Destination South Luzon. First stop, Monte Maria Miracle Glass Walk is now finally open to the public. The first largest glass walk in the Philippines that located in Barangay Pagkilatan, Batangas City. According to Batangas Tourism and Cultural Affair, the glass walkway is 118 meters long and stand 45 meters high. It has an aerial view of Batangas Bay and provides a thrilling experience as we walk across a transparent glass floor. Glasswalk entrance fee is 300 peso and the Rainbow Bridge is 100.
Kakanginig ng tuhod. Dito ka na! Nanginginig. Tara na! Tara, Lulo! Ayaw niya, te. Dito na lang daw ako.
Ako, te. Dito na mabili. Meron. Kain.